Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to manage Talkback settings in your device Nothing Phone 2. In this device Nothing Phone 2, I'll show you how to disable Talkback feature. Before I start, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon. Watch complete video and learn how we can do it. Let's watch the video.